Right, let's talk about goals. Because just like having a fitness goal that keeps you motivated at the gym, an investment goal can really keep you on track with your money. When you have a clear goal, you know what you're working towards and how much to put away. Like a sat nav, it helps you stay on course, even if the journey feels long. Now, your goals will depend on when you'll need the money, whether it's medium term, like saving for a house, or maybe even long term, like retirement. Just remember the value of investments could go down as well as up, and you could get back less than you put in. So having that goal in mind helps you make smarter choices along the way. Okay, so how do you actually set a goal? Here are a few questions you could ask yourself. 1, what are you investing for? Could it be a house, your 5-year plan, or maybe even retirement? 2, when will you need the money? Short, medium, or long term? 3, how much do you think you'll need? 4, how much can you realistically put aside each month? And 5, how comfortable are you with investment risk? And don't worry, we'll talk more about that later in the series. My top tip, set a realistic goal and then work backwards from there. It'll help you make a plan.